Alright guys, I got a game in here. I got an Xbox. It's right here. But there's some supplies in here that I need to grab. So yeah, let's open it up. What? God damn it, Mario and Luigi, for the last time! Get your sick bastard ass out of here. Ah, fuck. Hold on. Try again. Oh shit, he landed in the piss. Oh god damn it, he landed in the fucking piss. I'm not touching that. I am not touching that. I am not touching that. You know what, where the fuck is Yoshi? Where the fuck is Yoshi? He got caught getting busy last time too. Where the fuck is Yoshi? Where the fuck is that sick bastard? Yoshi, where the fuck are you? Yoshi, I know you're here somewhere. You know what, I hate to do this, but oh god, that's this is so nasty. I can throw that at the ceiling fan a second time. Ah! I thought he was gonna land in the fucking trash. I see you. She looks so fucking guilty. Hi. You know what else I can do? You know what? You know what? You know what? What? You know what? You know what? You know what? Even though Pikachu didn't get caught banging or having sex, I'm just gonna do this anyway. Pikachu! Oh shit! He landed on top of my fucking Xbox. Gotta game it out.